also thriving. As announced by His Excellency Prime Minister Lapid back in August, this process of normalization would be crowned with the respect and expect this volume to reach 10 billion by the end of this year in 2 months' time. Increase the mutually beneficial trade between our two countries. In this regard, I note with pleasure that following the visit of a strong Turkish business delegation to Israel back in March, a vibrant Israeli business delegation under the leadership of the FICC will visit Turkey in December. In order to further facilitate business-to-business cooperation, after an almost 13 years long pause, both our governments are working on scheduling the 5th meeting of the Turkish-Israeli Economic Joint Committee and to foster partnership between Israeli technologies and Turkish industries. In the energy sector, we hope to renew the high-level dialogue among our relevant ministers to reboot the energy cooperation. This special bond is alive today thanks to the Turkish Jewish community, both in Turkey and here in Israel. On this occasion, I would like to extend my deep appreciation to their representatives who are among us here tonight. Katılımınız için çok teşekkürler. Hoş geldiniz. November 17th, we will inaugurate a photo exhibition at the Saraya entitled Synagogues of Turkey, the old Ottoman Saray building. Dear guests, Turkey and Israel share Turkey's will to promote security and to bring stability and peace to continue to support a comprehensive and just settlement between Israel and Palestine based on the relevant UN Security Council resolutions that will ensure two states living peacefully side by side with secure and recognized borders. Realizing that, despite the ups and downs in the bilateral relations, Turkey and Israel share joint interests in our region and thus have much to gain through dialogue with them.
But Turkey was the first Islamic state to recognize the state of Israel, established diplomatic relations with it, and since then, relations, ups and downs, as you mentioned, but our diplomatic relations were never cut off. There is no denying that over the past years, we experienced a crisis in our diplomatic relations, but gladly, and I'm here today, both states have made efforts in order to overcome our differences and they build a new relationship that looks toward the future. Special emphasis on the economic sphere. In 2021, the year the world began to emerge from the restrictions of the COVID pandemic, the trade between Turkey and Israel reached $7 billion, and you mentioned other numbers, and we are increasing it, and I'm very happy that it's happening. This explains how Israel today is among Turkey's top 10 export destinations, allowing Israeli airlines to return to Turkey so that Israelis and Turks can continue to meet and get to know one another in larger numbers. To conclude, the warming of relations between the two countries, the return of full diplomatic relations, and the appointment of ambassadors will facilitate the expansion.
We thank Minister Hendel. Now, I would like to invite all our guests to raise their glasses